Hey guys, we've got this beautiful pork shoulder. Right now we're gonna do pork like your grandma used to. If your grandma used to make pork. So we have our pork shoulder here. We've already washed it. We keep the skin on. Very important, guys, because without the skin on the pork, we're not gonna get that nice, gummy, chewy fat. After a couple of hours on the grill, it's like butter. First thing we're gonna do, as usual, salt and pepper to taste. I like the rock salt. Like I said, you get these pops of flavor when you get the rock salt in your mouth. And then we're gonna put some pepper. And you know I call it seasoning because I like to see the seasoning on my meat. We are going to use this time the Caribbean Traditions all-purpose seasoning from Grace. Guys, you want to get good coverage? Well, we're gonna use our hot Grace jerk seasoning. The label actually says 1 to 2 teaspoons per pound of meat. I love this stuff, so I put a little bit more than that on there. Depending on when we're using our smoker, this meat is gonna stay on there for 8 hours because we're burning firewood. But as we're over a coal fire right now, 2 to 3 hours, we'll probably be able to eat some of this pork. Oh my, look at that. You see those pink rings right there? The fat is just tender and juicy. Amazing. Chill and grill with Grace, guys, this summer.